My name's Dr. Rainier Young. I'm Bangor University's Director of Sustainability, and my team and I work at the Sustainability Lab. The purpose of this presentation is to welcome you to Bangor and to invite you to join in with the Sustainability Lab's activities. We realise that it's very early on in week 1 of 3 years and that you're being bombarded with a wall of words. But we wanted to welcome you. We want you to remember us. And what better way of doing that than being short and to the point? The Sustainability Lab is one of the corporate services. But why are we making this effort to make sustainability so central? Well, I'm not going to bore you with lots of numbers, but students like you in Wales and across the UK have been demanding that we as a university become more sustainable and promote sustainability, that our courses reflect elements of sustainability, and that you want to become personally involved in order to learn more about what it means. So thank you. As a result of that demand, I've got an extremely interesting job as a member of a team of 7 people working with INDEB, the Students' Union, all colleges and directorates, all subjects across the university to make sense of what sustainability means and how we can all be more sustainable. We and others across the campus have joined forces to establish a campus environmental performance team. We have an environment management system, an EMS, with the international ISO 14001 standard accreditation. We keep an eye on things that matter to you in the environment, like waste, energy and biodiversity. Now, what is it that you associate with sustainability? I don't have time to ask you all individually or go into more detail right now, but I bet one of these came up somewhere in your mind's eye. You might even have heard of the UN Sustainable Development Goals or the Welsh Wellbeing Goals. Those are all worthy, but dull. You just didn't know I was a mind reader. Yes, we know you've just arrived at uni and that you want a bit of fun and you'd wish we'd go away and be quiet. Well, I've got some good news for you. You're invited to participate in lots of useful, fun activities. There's something for everyone and things we haven't thought of because you haven't told us yet. Here are a few. On Wednesday and Thursday, we will be part of the scrum in PJ Hall, inviting you to play our interactive game and like our social media pages and generally have a chat. By the end of September, first week in October, you will be well settled in. And that's when our Waste Awareness Week starts. That's going to be a psychedelic fusion of all things waste, with halls, campus life, Students' Union, international students, Gwynedd Council, British Heart Foundation, CIWM and all sorts of people coming together to work together to help make Bangor Uni a more waste-savvy place. Nobody wants to live in a tip, so there will be tips on how we can all avoid that. On the 26th of October, there will be an all-day global event where students, staff, businesses, the wider community will come together to discuss what we can do in a changing world. Come along, help create an artistic installation in the Pontio White Box, listen to inspirational talks in the INDEB Room of Requirement, and work in teams on a climate challenge on the 5th floor of Pontio. And there will be prizes for the best team effort. Every year we have a series of think tanks on the last Tuesday of every month. The first one will be on the 30th of October with feedback from the Waste Awareness Week. It's going to be energy in November and a special Christmas edition in December with some cake and yoga to help us survive the silly season. There's plenty of variety in store for 2019. What started off as a Sustainability Week is now a full month of carnival, a carnival of sustainability that's an extravaganza of ordinary events. So follow us, tag us, share our stories, visit us at Freshers Fair, visit our website, keep an eye out for your campus life coordinators, join the think tanks, get your voice and opinions heard, add value to your degree, join in with the best brains in town to tackle some of the world's greatest challenges and have fun at the same time. The team and I are looking forward to working with you over the next 3 years and after you graduate as a member of the Bangor University's growing alumni population. So thanks for listening. We look forward to a very exciting year in your company.